guys, today I'm making my favorite snack, which is jalapenos,
cream cheese,
and Takis.
The first thing you're gonna do is cut off the tip. Ah! He didn't deserve this anyway. Then you're gonna take out the insides. Guys, it's been such a long time since I've done one of these videos. All of the kids are grown up now. Angie has 5 kids at home. My sister's a lesbian with chlamydia. And my cousin, well, he's just my cousin. Time to cream the hole, something a lot of these kids will never experience.
Well, I don't know who you're talking about.
Unless you want to. I mean, that's up to you. I don't know if y'all noticed, but my hair is completely different now. Look at this.
Ow! You got cream cheese on it.
Burn up. Now that it's filled to the rim, you're going to fill it with Takis.
Lily!
Pop it like my cousin's got popped. Oh,
Here.
what? Just like that. Oh,
Mine's all
amazing.
busted up.
There she is in all her glory. Oh my gosh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Also, my bracelets are out now. Go ahead and cop your own. Go ahead and match it up with the squad.